Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the platforms that let apps run. Open Settings and enable Linux, Beta, and Android apps when present. This provides two distinct runtimes. Install the latest system update so drivers and containers behave predictably. Once done, make sure you have at least 10 GB free and an active internet connection because downloads and containers need space and network access. These steps unlock the pathways for installing both Linux packages and Android APKs. You'll now install apps. For Linux, open Terminal and run Package Manager commands like sudo apt update and sudo apt install followed by the package name. This installs native Linux apps inside Christini. For Android, first check if Play Store is available. If not, sideload APKs responsibly by enabling developer options and using a DB install. Make sure to resize the Linux VM disk or enable GPU acceleration in settings for heavy apps. Finish by granting file access to apps and pinning them to the shelf so you can launch them quickly. If an app crashes, restart the Linux container or Android runtime, clear app cache, and reinstall the package. This often resolves conflicts. If Android sideloading fails, enable developer mode temporarily to allow a DB access and re-sideload the APK, then disable developer mode when done. One key tip: check host storage and VM size first. Insufficient disk space is the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.